Good afternoon, everybody. This is Raghukumar T, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Badunalli, Madhgiri Taluk, Tumkur District. Today, I am going to talk about Mulkraj Anand's Untouchable. In this session, I will be talking about the critical analysis of the novel Untouchable and its relevance in contemporary scenario. The novel Untouchable was written in 1935 and it talks about India of 1930s. But we can say not much has changed since the publication of the novel. In the last session, we discussed about the major incident and characters. In this session, as already told, we will talk about the relevance of the novel in the contemporary scenario. Untouchable, published in the 1930s, reflects a social milieu that gives prominence to the caste system. The novel depicts the anguish of Baka, a sweeper boy who belongs to the category of social outcasts. Baka, the son of Laka, who is the Jamadar of all sweepers. He is considered an outcast because he cleans the dirt. As Baka says, we are called dirt because we clean their dirt. Someone who cleans cannot be called dirty, but Baka is called dirty. In 1950, the Constitution of India abolished the concept of untouchability. Although it is almost 70 years from now, there is still caste system in India. The government has developed policies directed towards social equity. Democracy has empowered the depressed classes, spearheaded a cultural revolution, and broadened society's outlook. In spite of all these efforts from the government, people continue to practice untouchability, and people like Baka suffer from the hands of upper caste people. Although we can say that to some extent untouchability has vanished or we can say decreased in urban India. It continues to have a conspicuous presence in more rural areas. In rural areas, even today, we can find the caste segregation, the practice of untouchability. The idea of ostracizing members of a community because they reach out to others is quite relevant on social levels. Given the globalized reality into which India is a significant player, the vestiges of the caste system and the tradition bound prejudice that might be present has to be eliminated. It is very clear that the practice of untouchability is to be eliminated from India. But it is very difficult. Slowly and steadily we are moving towards in that direction. Anand's work, especially Untouchable, speaks to this. At the same time, I think that the personal experience of his aunt, who was shunned from her Hindu community simply for having dinner with a Muslim, is something that speaks quite loudly to this. According to some sources, they say that Anand was influenced to write Untouchable because of his sister's bad experience. These are some references that I have taken. I have taken Penguin edition of Untouchable, and these are some of the MCQs, multiple choice questions for the reference of students.